In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a pipeline in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Pipedrive account. If you haven't already, just head over to the Pipedrive website and enter your credentials. Once you're all logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Now, from this dashboard, go ahead and locate the Deals tab. This is where all the magic happens for managing your sales processes. Click on that tab, and you'll find yourself looking at the various pipelines you have set up. Next, identify the specific pipeline you want to modify. Maybe you have a sales pipeline and a project management pipeline, or perhaps it's just the sales one that needs a little tweaking. Whichever it is, find the name of that pipeline. Once you've spotted it, we're ready for the next step. Here's where it gets interesting. You want to edit your pipeline, right? To do that, hover your mouse over the pipeline's name. You should see a little pen icon appear. This is your gateway into edit mode. Go ahead and click on that pen icon, and you should now be in a space where you can make all sorts of adjustments. Now let's talk about customizing your stages. Your pipeline likely has several stages that represent different points in your sales process, and you might want to adjust these. To rename an existing stage, simply click on the name of the stage you want to change and type in the new name. It's that easy. Whether you want to make it more descriptive or just plain different, this is where you can do it. But what if you need to add a new stage altogether? Don't worry, Pipedrive makes that a breeze as well. Look for the option that says Add New Stage. Once you click that, you can enter the name of your new stage and any other details that are pertinent to your workflow. This flexibility ensures that your pipeline remains aligned with your current business practices. Time to wrap this up. After you've made all your changes, whether it's renaming some stages or adding new ones, look for that Save Changes button. This is an important step. Be sure to click on it to apply and lock in your edits. If you forget this step, all your hard work will not be saved, and you wouldn't want that. And there you have it. Editing a pipeline in Pipedrive is straightforward once you know where to go and what to do. A well-structured pipeline can enhance your sales process significantly, making it easier for you to track where deals stand and what needs your attention. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Your support really helps us create more content like this. Until next time, happy selling.